everyone, and welcome to Coffee Chat with BallroomVille, where we chat about everything ballroom dancing. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload our next video. Grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into this week's question. What is the difference between ballroom dance forms? Ballroom dance encompasses a very large genre of just partner dancing. There is American style, international style, club dances, Argentine tango, all different styles of swing dancing. So let's start with American style. American style has two different sections. It's rhythm and smooth. So these dances were developed here in the United States as social dances and then later developed into competitive styles. So American rhythm consists of 5 dances as cha-cha, rumba, bolero, swing, and mambo. American smooth consists of 4 dances: waltz, foxtrot, tango, and Viennese waltz. So we also have international style, which was developed in Europe. And international style is the equivalent of ballet in the ballroom dance world. International style consists of Latin American and ballroom. There are 5 dances in the Latin: cha-cha, samba, rumba, paso doble, and jive. And there are also 5 dances in the ballroom: waltz, foxtrot, tango, Viennese waltz, and quickstep. So you might hear the term a 9 dancer or a 10 dancer. So a 9 dancer would be someone who dances both the rhythm and the smooth in the American style. So it means they dance all 9 dances. And a 10 dancer would be someone who dances the ballroom and the Latin. So all 10 dances within the international style. So if we take the international style and American style and compare them, the classical ballroom and the smooth. So in the classical ballroom, you'll see couples in their dance frame, in their dance hold, and they will never separate. They dance as 2 dancers, as one, always keeping their dance frame connected. Now, there are similar dances in American smooth. But in American smooth, couples can separate. They have positions that take them out of their traditional dance frame. Now, looking at the American rhythm and international style Latin, the international style Latin was developed in Europe and combined with ballet to create beautiful lines and extensions and an overall beautiful aesthetic. American rhythm, instead of having those very classical lines and a bit more true to origin of where that dancing may have originated from. So if you're watching an international style Latin dancer, you'll see a lot of things that are borrowed from ballet with their beautiful straight legs and extensions. Now, if you're watching an American rhythm dancer, you'll notice that they're dancing through compressed knees in each dance. A compressed knee would be through a flexed action in the knee. So it has a very different look and feel. We also have dances that would be referred to as club dances. The club style Latin dances such as salsa, merengue, bachata. If you go out to any Latin club, those are the dances that are going to be the most prevalent there. And also we have the Argentine style tango, which has a very distinct look and very different from the American style tango and international style tango. Although some things in the American style tango are borrowed from the Argentine tango. Argentine tango would likely be the most recognizable by those beautiful leg flicks and very intricate footwork. Also, you have the entire realm of swing dancing: West Coast swing, East Coast swing, Lindy hop, jive, rock and roll. There's so many styles that have come out of that original Lindy hop from Harlem. Now, if you go to a ballroom dance competition, You will see the American style and the international style. And a lot of the competitions also have what they call club nights, where they do hustle, swing, Argentine tango, salsa bachata, all of those dances as well. But the most prevalent dances that you'll see at those events are going to be the international style and American style. So it will be smooth, rhythm, Latin, and ballroom. If you're interested in starting your dance journey or developing your dancing skills, we'd love to hear from you. There is a link to schedule your dance consultation right down in the description below. Thank you so much for joining me today for Coffee Chat with BallroomVille. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload our next video. Until next time.